In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if disk management could not start virtual disk service. So this should be a quick and easy process video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is easy. Just go ahead to search menu and then type in services. And then after that, just go ahead, click on open, which is the first option. And now the services tab will open up for you. Just scroll down until you find virtual disk. So just search for it. As you can see right now, this is virtual disk. Just go ahead, double click on it. From here, click on Startup Type. Make sure it's on automatic. And after that, just go to Log On. Make sure to check Mark, Allow Service. Then go back to General and then click on Start. Now, after the process is done, just click on Apply and then OK. Now just click out of Services and then go to the search menu, type in Control Panel, then click on Open, then go to View make sure it's on large icons, and now just scroll down, click on Windows Defender, and from here click on Allow an App or Feature, and from here you can click on Change Settings. So after you have done that, I hope everything is fixed. Now just go ahead, click out of this, just click on OK, and you should be all good to go. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.